Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're doing another tropical weather bulletin for today. So tropical cyclone Anna was named and it has made landfall in Mozambique. 96S now has a medium percent chance of formation, and 91W in the Western Pacific has a low chance of formation as it crosses near the Philippines. We can have a look at Anna here. The latest track, you can see it has made landfall. Pretty large system, and it is expected to gradually weaken from here. Not much more will really happen with Anna, and it looks like really. 91W. I don't think it's looking too bad, but 96S could be the next big system. This system could be very big. So let's have a look at some of the satellite imagery now of the system. So first of all, we're going to look at 91 91W, sorry. Wait for this to load. Might have to refresh the page here. But it's actually not looking the worst. Right now, it's looking like a load of thunderstorms. I don't think the center has made landfall on the Philippines yet, but it looks like it will make landfall on the Philippines. Could be a rainfall threat as there are -90 convection in there. As well, as you can see, this could be a bit of a rainfall threat here to the Philippines. I'm not sure. We can have a look at the water vapor imagery, which could be a bit interesting. So you can see, yeah, it's doing pretty well. Not bad, actually. It's actually not doing too bad. I don't know if you'll be able to see visible because I think it's too dark. Yeah, it is. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at 96 S in the South Indian Ocean. Definitely looking good, and it looks like it is starting to organize. Yeah, it definitely does look like it's starting to organize a lot better now. And yeah, I'm not surprised the JTWC have upped this to a medium chance. It is looking a lot better than it was looking like even yesterday. It is definitely looking a lot better now than it was looking. Yeah, it's definitely looking a lot better there. We can have a look at tropical tidbits, have a look at the models run, so the forecast model. More importantly, as of right now, Invest 96S is the main threat right now. We can have a look at the HWRFP model. And I always like to use simulated IR imagery, because then you can really see how powerful they're expecting it to get. So let's click on this here. And you can't really see it. I'm not sure if that's because of maybe they haven't updated it yet, but you can see, I think that's it there. And it does organize a lot better. Yeah, that is it there. And it definitely does organize. So this could be the next named. I'm not sure what the next name is though. I'm not sure if the HWRF will be a similar story. But we can definitely have a look. Simulated IR imagery. Play. Oh yeah, so it is a similar story. And it looks like they're expecting it to organize a bit better as well. You can see there. Definitely does look like they're expecting it to organize a lot better. And then before we can have a look at the GFS as well. And you got 91W, so we'll have a look at that as well. But first we'll have a look at the GFS model on 96S. And wow, what is this? This actually looks pretty interesting. And that does... Okay. That is definitely an eye forming. 100% an eye forming. Wow. Okay, the GFS must be going for pretty high intensity then. If an eye is forming, then they have to be going for very high, very high intensity. So let's see what they're going to bring it down to. Let's play it here so we can actually see the pressure. So it looks like they're bringing it down to around 960. Which isn't too bad. Before making landfall in, I think that's Madagascar. Yeah, it looks like it. yeah, you can see how quickly the GFS are expecting this to intensify to get to a peak of 964 millibars, which is probably a category 2 on the Southeast hurricane scale. That's probably severe cyclone. Oh, didn't mean to do that. That is probably severe cyclone on the Australian scale, actually. Yeah, it probably is. We can have a look at current storms as well. I'm pretty sure the IR imagery for Anna on tropical tidbits is actually broken. So yeah, we've shown that. Actually, can have a look at the model track guidance, the GFS. Now I'm going very. That's a very weird track. GFS going for more into Mozambique, which I thought would happen, but you never know. You never know. And we didn't look at 91W, did we? No. So let's have a look at it again. GFS 91W. So we haven't had a look at the model on 91W, so we can have a look, and it is expected to cross over the Philippines. And I don't think the GFS are expecting organizing from this system. I think they're just expecting it to be an invest for its entire life cycle. Yeah, they definitely are. They're expecting it to be an invest for its entire life cycle before then completely dying out. And also there was, I believe, we can actually have a look at the National Hurricane Center, because why not? Oh, spell that wrong. Because I don't think it's still. It won't be there anymore. No, it's not. But there was a 40% chance in the Eastern Pacific. Oh, it is still there. What? Why have they still got it there, bro? That doesn't make sense. It's been a 0% chance for like 3 days now, and they still haven't removed it. But this at one point was a 40% chance of formation. So yeah, it actually could have been, if it did organize, the earliest named Eastern Pacific storm on record, but I'm not surprised they didn't do it because it's not looking good. Shower activity is limited in association with a broad area of low pressure located about 1,000 miles east-northeast of Hawaii. Hostile environmental conditions not expected. So yeah, formation chance for 48 hours at 0, 5 days 0. So they shouldn't have this marked. Not entirely sure what they do. But anyway, thank you all for watching this tropical weather bulletin today on the 3 active systems at the minute, and there will be a hypothetical Earth. Yes, it's coming back. Hypo Earth's coming back tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.